Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I want to go back in time a little bit to Thanksgiving Eve and talk about a trade I initiated in Cardano with the ticker sign ADA, and more specifically, ADA up, the 3x leverage coin in Binance, and how I made over 30% in a little over 2 days on that trade. So let's go to the ADA chart. So you may recall on Thanksgiving Eve, November 25th, Bitcoin had a huge dump. It was about, I think it was about $2,000 in a little over an hour. So all my alarms went off, all my alerts, and specifically one on ADA. It was around 8:30 p.m. on the 25th, and this is what I see. And I know that this coin has been at a recent high because I had updated my Fibonacci retracements and set this green line here as the recent high of over 18 cents. And with the drop that Bitcoin had, it dragged down all of the altcoins as well, including ADA, down under right around under 13 cents, so a little over 12 cents. This is the hour chart, and we're in this Fibonacci retracement purchase blue zone. This is the 0.5 to the 0.618 for those of you who know about Fibonacci retracements. I'm not going to go into that on this video, but this is a good buy zone. So my alert goes off as I have many alerts pegged to the RSI. When something goes below 30 that I can trade on 3x leverage, I'm interested in that. So when this alert goes off, I go over to my ADA up chart, and this is what I'm looking at. It's pretty similar to the ADA chart as far as the formation of the candles, but the numbering is different. So I'm waiting to see evidence of a retracement of the coin coming back. And I see the dip here. I'm seeing candles increase in value here. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 candles. So I'm good to go on this one. I am in at 4.765 at 8:55 p.m. on the 25th. And I know from ADA's history that it's trading at a very low very low price level towards the bottom of its trading range based on recent events. So generally when Bitcoin causes a crash in a coin, it can come back, not immediately, but fairly quickly, usually in a day or two, sometimes 3 to 4 days. I think that happens more than half the time. Don't know the exact statistics, but that's what I've noticed. So I'm in on ADA up, coin goes sideways, dips a little bit, goes sideways, dips a little bit, goes sideways. And to be honest, I'm busy. I have family obligations, time with my daughter. I'm really not watching this. Had I been watching this, if I'm in at 4.765 and I get a move like this, 11%, I'm all over that. I'm usually out. If I get double digits, that's good stuff. So, but like I said, I'm not watching it. And I'd set a fairly high sell order of 6.5. I've been forgetting to explain my exit analysis lately. So let me go back to that. So here's a few resistances I see. I see the SMA line, which is right about here at 6.5. A few candles up here in the 7.17 range. Top of the Bollinger Band up here, 8.233. I just go for the Bollinger Band here. But that's a pretty significant move percentage-wise. This is, over 30%. So I'm setting a 30% exit, see what happens over the Thanksgiving holiday. So this trade goes over a couple days. Multiple points I could have gotten out with 10 to 20%. Like I said, I'm really not watching this closely. And it's one of those situations where sometimes just being patient, not being stressful, and watching a trade every hour, every minute paid off. So my 6.5 hits at 4:26 in the morning a couple days later on the 28th. I'm out of this trade with 36.28% profit, 2 days and 8 hours. So it's not really a day trade. It's a trade that had an unusual low, and I applied some patience and lack of persistent monitoring and stress to have a successful trade. I also utilize the RSI strategy I've talked about in prior videos, where I like to set alerts on the 30 level on the hour chart and the 70 in case the coin makes a spike up and then works its way down. That happens too. And I'm really enjoying this RSI strategy with the up and down coins. I also utilize the bull and bear coins on FTX. So also 3x leverage. That's all I have for today. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the comments that list the tools and resources I use. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.
Wow.